Preservance is a Mars rover designed to explore the Jezero crater on Mars as a part of NASA's Mars 2020 mission. It was manufactured by the Jet Propulsion Laboratory and launched on July 30, 2020. Confirmation that the rover successfully landed on Mars was received on February 18, 2021. Preservance carries 7 primary payload instruments, 19 cameras, and 2 microphones. The rover also carried the mini helicopter Ingenuity to Mars, an experimental technology testbed that made the first powered aircraft flight on another planet on April 19, 2021. Thank you, my viewers.